Good morning.
Morning.
Day 2 of travelling west, but you know me, I like to go a bit north and all over the place, so we're going to go into the Pro 158 performance.
Yes.
Say hello, because I haven't seen those guys for a while. And Tracy's going to ride with me today, so I'm excited.
Me too.
And then, I don't know where I'm going. You know what I'm like. I'm in a prayer. We'll just see where we end up. Hopefully Burton at some point tonight. It's a beautiful riding day. The sun is out. Oh, nice one. Good start to the day. Oh well, we'll be on alert today. It'd be funny if those traffic lights suddenly came on red. Oh.
Stay tuned to see riding footage across 5 counties, see inside 158 performance. We pop into Rutland Waters also, and a bit of a circuit day somewhere. Oh, go on then, it's Donington Park. And some animals that I come across on a National Trust property. All with some insights and humour, and of course the usual getting lost.
Here we are. It's like coming home. This is when my Bumblebee journey first began on the 22nd of April 2021. Andy and I came here and test rode the Ryker, and I remember the date because it's exactly 2 years to the date that he passed away. Let's go say hello to the guys. One of the great things with 158, apart from fantastic staff and great gear on and off road, they've got the sea-doos, and you can go and test ride there. It's Tattershall Lake here. Oh, that was amazing. I just spoke to Dan, and straight away he knows what's on my handbrake. It's the sensor. It's so good to see them again. So I'm booked in there in a week or so, and I'll be taking the estuary out for a ride. Woo-hoo! Yay!
Day, doesn't it?
It
Does like the last word.
Tracy's now headed home. I'm heading to Burton, but had a chat to Dan. He said Milton Mowbray is quite a nice little route. It's brought me here through Stamford, which I love. So beautiful little town. Andy and I used to love it here. Market day. So Friday, so we go Friday's market day in Stamford. Behind every great van is a long queue of traffic. It's going to roll back on me then. Here's our car. Hey!
I know it's early, but if I don't say it now, I'll forget. So if you're enjoying this vlog, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your mates. And if you press the little bell, you'll be alerted every time I upload a new movie. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, it's very much appreciated. The link is in my description and in my bio.
A little pop down to Rutland Water's Visitor Centre. So here we are, Rutland Water. Many years ago, Andy and I cycled round this. Couldn't do that now. Where are we? And we're there. Look how big it is. Be nice if I could ride it. We did come here two and a half years ago when Bumblebee was in for a service. Not this actual bit, but further round. And I rode pillion. It was lovely. Go and explore what this thing is. I've got 15 minutes to do it. Well, that's it there. And then there's a thing here. I don't know if this is it. The Great Tower by Alexander, 1980. I think I might have exceeded my 15 minutes. See, on here it looks like I've done it really quickly. It's the magic of the movies. In real time, it's taken me forever.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a gold.
I just thought I'd take a quick little detour and go through the historic market town of Oakham. Very quaint. Just up at reception, the tea rooms. Lakes are tea rooms. Perfect. Well, that was a little bit weird. What I've done is pulled up into the car park and I've got these really dirty looks from people. I'm used to people staring at Bumblebee with admiration and love, but it's a bit like, you know, when you walk into a pub and everyone goes silent and stops looking at you. Hopefully there'll be a better reception inside the tea room. I obviously don't want riffraff like me in here. A bit of a nicer greeting inside. Anyway, thank you, Dan, for the A606. I loved that ride. But I keep thinking you were hiding from me, actually, because I went in. You know what I'm like? I'm loud. I've got a little mouth, but it's loud. Especially when I haven't got my hearing aids in. And especially because I'm used to it at the moment. I've got no comms in my helmet, so I'm shouting at my GoPro. I carry on shouting all the time and trying very hard not to at the moment. I was talking to Giles. Saying he's down here, and he said, yeah. And then he said, oh, it's in the shop somewhere. So after about 5 minutes, I just went, Dan. And his little head popped up. And they had to get up and give me a hello. I think he was hiding. I don't know why. But I hunted him out. I'm like a bloodhound. I'll find you. I do a lovely cup of decaf soy milk cappuccino in here. Sticking to the decaf because I'm like Tigger today, without my caffeine. But as I was riding along, I was thinking, do you know what? I'm like every character from Winnie the Pooh, and I can go from Tigger to Eeyore within seconds of each other. And sometimes I can be every character all at the same time. Just get some film for my vlog. Thank you. It always helps to ask. He said, of course you can. How amazing. Here I am, Donington Park. place for a helmet stop. How incredible is that, eh? The sounds, you can't smell it, but you can hear it, you can see it. Just amazing. Loved it. Destination for the night, but another quick diversion into Calke Abbey. It is a one-way system and there's a play point 1 mile ahead. Oh, difficult to avoid the back wheel. The bike's filthy anyway. Oh my goodness, I need to find a jet wash before tomorrow. Far too dirty. I can't hear with my helmet on behind the glass. There's a stable yard and a house and 600 acres of parkland, but that's no good, I can't even walk 600 feet of it. Let alone 600 acres. Okay. It's telling me to turn right. Oh, I can't turn right there. I don't know where I'm going. Oh my goodness. Oh well, there's worse places to be lost, isn't there? I bet you can't believe that I'm lost. Oh look! Oh my word! Hello! That's a great place to be lost. Stable yard that she was talking about. Oh, it looks like the house, look, but it's all being renovated, and this must be right, turn right. Way out. Right, let's stop dilly-dallying now. Way 15 minutes until I'm bed for the night.
Olivia's coming up and you can ride my route. The link is in the description. All that's left for me to say is ta-ta for now.